Alrighty, we're done with the inside now. As you can see, pop this open. As you can see, we've done. Alright. Looks a lot better. Shampoo the seats. There's no more mildew. Look at the back seat. All clean now. All clean. Bag up. No more mildew. See, go around it. Put side over here to wax. Just got done. Open it up on this side. No more mildew. Alright. Another job done by Steam. Disinfected. So we're good to go.